Let's talk about Elevate Commercial Lending with financing solutions you can count on. These are commercial lending strategies that are designed just for you. So, who is Elevate Commercial Lending? We work with institutional lenders to finance small to medium sized businesses and real estate investors who cannot obtain financing from their local bank. So, when banks are saying no, Elevate Commercial Lending is saying yes. The federal government allows banks to lend approximately 80 to 90% of their money on deposit. At the same time, they are also insuring depository accounts for up to $250,000 per account. The government has laid down strict guidelines as to who the banks can and cannot lend to. The banking lending criteria includes A plus clients, great personal and business assets, 700 plus credit scores, in business for 5 to 6 years, and 3 to 4 of those years must show profitability. So, when banks say no, Elevate Commercial Lending can say yes. Banks take 3 to 6 months or longer to process small business administration loans. They can even sometimes take up to a whole year. We can get answers for any type of loans in as little as 24 hours. Plus, we can go up to a 10-year repayment terms and have lower rates. While banks are limited to working with their A plus plus clients, our nice nationwide group of lenders can lend to A, B, C, and D credit clients as well as startup clients. Banks are turning down small business owners, whereas we can approve 40 to 50% of the people that they turn down. So, what types of financing do we have at Elevate Commercial Lending? We have equipment leasing, construction equipment financing, small businessmen association loans. We finance churches. We do securities based lending, medical working capital, merchant cash advances, unsecured business loans, lines of credit. We can finance your accounts receivables. We can help you when you need to buy out your partner. We can do commercial bridge loans for real estate acquisitions. We can do business acquisition financing, debt restructuring, and fix and flip loans for real estate. So, where do we lend? All over the nation. We're not limited to any geographical area. We lend in all 50 states and can handle any type of loan. So, what is our process? Our process is very simple. Step one, you talk to a business coach, share your plans to elevate your business. Elevate Commercial Lending will provide you with a free pre qualification that will not impact your credit. Together with Elevate Commercial Lending, we look at alternative ways to finance your business. Step four, if you choose commercial lending, all you need to do is provide basic information. We'll process the application, link you with a lender, and wait for approval. We will have an answer for you within 24 to 48 hours. Here are some recent deals that we've had at Elevate Commercial Lending. We got working capital for a small home health care provider. They had 2 years timed in business, about a 615 credit score, and monthly deposits over $10,000. They needed additional funding to expand their services to include an industrial cleaning business. We assessed and corrected some pre qualification shortfalls, and within 30 days, their loan was funded. We arranged a $50,000 unsecured personal business loan for this client. And I want you to meet this 27-year-old entrepreneur. He wanted to expand his Uber transportation business and explore an opportunity in commercial real estate, but he lacked the working capital. Elevate Commercial Lending was able to secure a $50,000 unsecured business loan with an 8% interest rate when the real estate market was at 7.52%. We will not put our clients in a predatory lending situation. We did this for him. We can do this for you. This client was an author, fitness instructor, and motivational speaker. She left her employment to build her fitness and training business. She was able to secure a $50,000 loan at 8% interest on an unsecured business loan to buy fitness equipment and for working capital while she built out her brand. These are real people. I made these encounters in chamber meetings and other chamber sponsored events. You are in the right place. We can do this for you. So, Elevate Commercial Lending is your friend. We will meet you where you are and help you with ways to finance your business.